Hey Girl Boss, it's me Natalia here at the Girl Boss Recipe. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a mobile menu and all of that good stuff. So the first thing you want to do is create a element so that people can click on your menu. So this template, which is free, you can get it in the description, already has a menu. But if you don't have a menu, then what you want to do is just create your menu. So for example, say you want your menu to look like this. Then this would be your menu, and then you would just have text that says menu. And so then you would have hamburger, like I have. Icons are here. And so they'll know, like, to click on this. Okay? So now we have to create the action menu. So when they click on this element, it's gonna take them to a canvas, and that needs to be in your menu. So that is right here. I just created it. We're gonna do it again. So we're gonna create a blank canvas, and then we're gonna make it black so you can see it. So this will be the menu that I created. And then, so you want to make the click action. When they click on this menu, click action, it's going to take them to the mobile menu. Open. And this is the canvas that's called mobile menu open. But we're going to create a new menu so I can show you. So I'm just going to get the logo. Let's change the logo so you can see it. I'm just going to copy this and paste it here and change the colors. Okay, so this is the menu. I actually like this color. Okay, so we're going to hide this for now. And this should only show up on the mobile, not the desktop. And we're going to have this hidden to start. So go to Canvas, go to hidden to start. So it only shows up when they click on this. So we're going to do a click action. We're going to canvas, this canvas, action, show canvas, and it's going to show this canvas. We're going to name this mobile menu open. We're also going to add an element because we need an icon. We need an X here so they can click off of it. We're going to make this click action, canvas, this canvas. Action is going to be hide canvas. And it's going to be this one. Okay, so they named this one because this one's already created. Okay, so then back to here, this click action is going to be show this. And all of these elements need to show this. Even this, just in case they click on this. Okay. So now, when you preview the website, they click here, and it should show. So we didn't do something right. For one, we want to have the stacking order higher than everything else. So that is why. This is at a 20. So we're going to make this stacking order a 21. And we're also going to have a sticky on top. So now it should work. Okay, so now that we have the menu, you want to link all of the pages because this is your navigation. So once they click on the mobile, see the desktop menu is already set, but we're making the mobile menu. And this is why I love Showit, because you can create everything custom. If you want this, you can have this as any shape. You can just do so much with Showit. I love it. And then you're also editing the desktop and the mobile, so it can be, just completely different, or it could be the same. So you can really just create and have fun. So now you just have to link everything, and it's going to be a page. You just link the contact page, portfolio, shop, about, and home. Then you can link your social medias, and I would just put the URL. And that is how you create a mobile menu on Showit. See you in the next video.